हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे कुछ कंफ्यूजिंग वर्ड्स के बारे में. As I have been teaching the students for a long time, so I have seen many students sometimes they get confused while using some words. कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स आप लोगों ने देखे होंगे जैसे कि कुछ वर्ड्स जो होते हैं वो सेम होते हैं बट उनके जो प्रोनाउंसिएशंस मींस उनके प्रोनाउंसिएशंस चेंज होते हैं बट उनके जो मीनिंग्स होते हैं दैट आर क्वाइट डिफरेंट. तो आज ऐसे ही कुछ वर्ड्स के बारे में हम लोग बात करने जा रहे हैं. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं फर्स्ट इन दो वर्ड्स के बारे में जिनका जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है वो होता है एक्सेप्ट. एक्सेप्ट, एक्सेप्ट. If you talk about first accept, that means to receive. We can understand this word by taking this example. Like I have accepted many gifts on the occasion on my birthday. That means I have received many gifts on the occasion of my birthday. If we talk about the second accept, that exactly means apart from. Here we can see the pronunciation of both the words is quite same, but the meanings are quite different. So this accept means apart from. We can understand this word by using this example. Like Ram has invited all his friends except Mohan. That means कि राम ने अपने सारे दोस्तों को इनवाइट किया मोहन को छोड़ के या उसके बजाय. Now let's come to next two words, that is allot and allot. दोनों का जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है वो बिल्कुल सेम होता है बट जो मीनिंग है वो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है. जब हम फर्स्ट अलॉट के बारे में बात करते हैं तो दैट एग्जैक्टली मीन्स मच. मीन्स वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस वर्ड बाय दिस एग्जांपल. To start this project, we will need a lot of money. That means इस प्रोजेक्ट को स्टार्ट करने के लिए हमें बहुत सारे पैसों की जरूरत पड़ेगी. The second allot, if we talk about, that exactly means to give a share of a work or a time. Like students have answered all the questions in an allotted time. That means उनको जो एक particular time दिया गया था उसी टाइम में means meanwhile they have completed their all the answers. Now we are having three words which are same but having the different meanings. We can say the first word, that is adapt. The second one is also adapt, but the third one is adopt. The pronunciation of this word is somewhat different than these words. Let's see. Let's come to the first word. As we say adapt, that exactly means to adjust. You know, we have to adjust the lot of things in our life. So we can understand this word by using this example. When I left my home, it was difficult for me to adapt living away from my home. That means कि जब मैंने घर को छोड़ा तो मेरे लिए काफी मुश्किल था एडजस्ट करना, अपने घर से दूर रहना. As we come to second adapt, see there is a slight difference between both the words. To understand this, we can do one thing. We can underline E और A. दोनों में अगर हम बात करते हैं तो इनमें सिर्फ एक ही डिफरेंस है. यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट अडेप्ट की बात करते हैं तो APD होगा और यहाँ पे जो है E आएगा A की जगह. In place of A we are using here E. This adapt means scaled. We can understand this word by this example. Like my daughter is adept at dancing. That means she is very good at dancing because she dances well. Now as we come to adopt, adopt means to accept one's own. That means किसी भी चीज को या किसी इंसान को अपना लेना, अपना मान लेना. We can take the example. She lives alone, so she decided to adopt a child. So that means कि वो अकेली रहती हैं तो she thought that would be better for her if she adopts a child, then she will get a company. So I hope guys you have understood all these words and the differences between these words. I think that has been clear.